Alright, next update. So, got LEDs on. I ended up having to do it a little different, mainly because the LEDs are the same size as the lights that were there. I'm still not sure if I want to put one at the top or not. I kind of like to, but I feel like that's going to be like massive light overkill. I mean, you can see already how bright these are just off of the camera lens there. And might be a little overkill for the layout. But pretty happy with how that's going to be. Going to tie right into the decoder and shouldn't be a problem from there. But yeah, not bad, huh? Alright guys, this is pretty much the final update. This is now done, at least as much as I'm going to call it done. There will be some fine-tuning that needs to be had with, you know, the decoder and some power options and stuff like that. But I thought you'd like to see it, so all put together. I don't really like the way the cab sits now because of the wiring. I might make some adjustments to that in the future, but considering that this is a maintenance relay train that's going to not run that often, it's okay. This is what we have. I ended up not putting LEDs in the opposite end, just figured that'd be too much of a nightmare to try and do. But pretty happy with it. Like the way it came out. Something unique that I get to run on the layout. And yeah, nice, lots of nice details. It's kind of hard to see in here because of the lighting, but I tinted all the windows. And so there you have it. See-through vents. It's hard to see because of the lighting, but there are fans inside the fan blade vents there. Get down a little more track level. Pretty cool.